Right, so just a couple of quotes from a few guys from the trading world. Applies very well to any business, actually. It scales to any business. Van Tharp, probably the best guy on the planet who is a coach of traders. So he coaches people on how to get to those sort of sick levels of returns. Being unique and following your own path and thus finding something that fits you. It's all you. If you read this guy here, Mark Spitznagel, he actually is one of the few guys who banks on markets blowing up. So he'll make losses for years on end, or maybe a little bit of profit, and then cleans it out when things blow up. So, and his thing was, most valuable things you'll need to learn to be good at investing are patience, resilience, and self-discipline. My best financial advice, practice yoga. I love to lose small amounts frequently and then occasionally score big. How many can do that? Imagine every month you said to your wife, or you looked at your balance sheet and said, or your P&L and said, I'm losing money. That's a good thing. Let's lose more next month. How many months would you be able to maintain enthusiasm before you blow up? So, but that's the kind of mental models that these guys have, is because they realize that in a nonlinear world, your returns will be choppy. Success is lumpy. You can go months with no success, and all of a sudden you clean out. And so you need to, which is why, goes to the original point, is if you are going to get into something, make sure there's some upside sitting there, and otherwise start making money on day one. And the last one is Jack Schwagner. He wrote 3 books, Market Wizards 1, 2, and I think Stock Market Wizards it was called. And after interviewing, 50 people with really crazy returns, he came up with the fact that it was a methodology, a system that was right for them. So similarly, you need to find methodologies that are right for you. I can't give you my systems because I have a different makeup, I've got different experiences, I've had a whole lot of different failures that others don't, and vice versa. You guys have failed at stuff that I have no experience of. So when you're making decisions, you're making decisions from your biases, which I can't get because I wasn't you. And similarly, so which is why whenever you're going to get any how-to book or the thing is that the guy who made it, I don't think anyone is trying to lie and trying to cheat anybody, but the fact is that the guy who made it, he's had his own experiences. I was talking to a pretty big super affiliate guy last week, and I said, how do you pick an offer? And he says, I just know. I'm like, okay, well, that doesn't, I can't use that. he gets a visceral response. And that's not the first time I've heard that, because because a few of the top traders that I know, same thing. When they look at it, they look at the chart, the pattern is in such a way, they get this sensation that tells them to get into the market. Now, I'm not going to say we can all go out there and get these sensations, but the point is that it's so intrinsic to them that it cannot be replicated unless you go through a similar process as they do. That's why NLP works so well. It's all about giving someone your mental model. Whether the how-to books are very physical, Go to Google AdWords and get the keyword list, or go to iSpionage and scrape some guy's ads and just slap it online and pick any offer from a CPA network. I mean, I wouldn't be here if that worked. Right. So the main kind of story that I kind of got was that they're willing to forego immediate payoffs, and that's an important message that I was able to find across all of this.